Igbo alphabet abịdị Igbo: a anya, a anya, I, b bute, b bute, bring, ch chọrọ, ch chọrọ, want, d dee, d dee, right, enyo, enyo, mirror, fee, fee, worship, gụọ, gụọ, read, gbasaa, gbasaa, spread, hee, fry, gwa, tell, hazie, arrange, iko, cup, ịta, to chew, ji, yam, kere, create, kpụọ, mold, kwuo, say, lee, look, mmiri, water, nnụnụ, bird, ṅụọ, drink, nwata, child, nye, give, osikapa, rice, ọkwa, wooden vessel, pụọ, leave, rie, eat, sie, cook, ịsha, crayfish, taa, chew, ude, cream, ụkwụ, leg, vuo, carry, were, take, yabasị, onion, zaa, sweep. The 36 Igbo alphabet, mkpụrụ abịdị Igbo.